It's easier than ever to take to the sky with one of the best drones. Today's quadcopters are cinched to pilot and can take some impressive photos and videos. What's more, there's a drone out there to suit just about every need and price, whether you're a videographer, vlogger, or just want to have some fun. Today's drones are extremely capable flyers with more impressive cameras than ever before, so it's an excellent time to consider one. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or are just getting to grips with snapping photos and videos from lofty heights, there are tons of excellent options to choose from. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 5 best drones to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus camera drone has a 1-inch 20-megapixel sensor that can support up to 6K video recording while offering a strong battery life, 3-way obstacle detection sensors, and more at an affordable price. While it may not be a household name, the hardware and software features that it delivers definitely make it worth your attention. The Autel Evo Lite Plus drone comes available in a variety of colors and packages bundles ranging from $1,319 to $1,799, offering users most of the accessories they could want and need out of the box. This includes ND filters, extra batteries, spare propellers, and a multitude of other bonuses depending on the standard to premium package they choose. The drone itself is a bit larger and heavier than its competitors in the lightweight market, but the battery life of the drone and controller seems to outperform many of its bigger name competitors, with an average flight time of nearly 40 minutes per fully charged battery. The Evo Lite Plus from Autel may not have an app that is as polished as some of its competitors, but it does offer a safe and easy-to-use out-of-the-box flight experience for users, as well as impressive image quality and sharpness at a competitive price that stands up to scrutiny. Number 4. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Mavic Air 2S is the smallest, most lightweight drone featuring a 1-inch sensor available today. This makes it ideal for photographers and videographers who carry other kit with them while exploring the outdoors, or simply those who like small and lightweight tech. The 1-inch 20-megapixel sensor is capable of capturing stills in both RAW and JPEG formats, alongside video up to 5.4K at 30 FPS, although lower resolutions such as 4K can be captured at higher frame rates. Like all Mavic models, the Air 2S features a folding design to make it more transportable with a folded size of 180 by 97 by 77 mm and weight of just 595 grams. Battery life is advertised as offering up to 31 minutes of flight time, and the digital zoom provides up to 8 times magnification when shooting FHD videos, with a sliding scale to 4 times at 4K, allowing you to film subjects without needing to physically fly closer. The Mavic Air 2S is suitable for both beginners and more experienced drone pilots, with features that make it ideal for both amateur and professional use. Safety features include obstacle sensing in 4 directions, as well as Advanced Pilot Assistance System 4.0, which can be set so the drone flies autonomously around obstacles when detected. Number 3. DJI Avata. If you're ready to dip your toes into the immersive world of FPV flying, we think the DJI Avata is the best place to start. It's smaller, safer, and less intimidating than the full-fat DJI FPV, but gives much of the same experience, as well as offering some advantages of its own. The guarded propellers make it ideal for flying indoors and around people, with less risk of chopping things up. And unlike a traditional FPV drone, it can hold its altitude and stop on spot, which makes it much easier to learn to fly with. There's still a learning curve, especially compared to DJI's non-FPV options, but the DJI motion controller is the simplest way that we've come across to get grips with a more dynamic flying style. A nose-mounted camera, motion-sensitive remote, and 30 mph sport mode are there for thrill seekers. Meanwhile, built-in prop guards keep it flying after minor bumps, and downward-facing sensors make low-to-the-ground flights possible. You can slow down and take your time too if you like, for Cinevop-style long takes to channel your inner Scorseses and Wells. The Avata is a drone for those who want fast-paced, close-to-the-ground, and elaborately choreographed footage. Take the Avata up high and you might see some wobble in the camera that you don't get with cinema drones, but you can also bank and turn to convey a sense of motion. We like that it's easy enough for anyone to pick up and fly, though pros can swap a dual-stick remote for a fully manual flight at 60 mph. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the most capable ultra-lightweight drone on the market. Its 249 grams takeoff weight means you can get around FAA registration, though creators who don't mind forms and fees can add in an extended battery life to push flights beyond 45 minutes. Three-way obstacle sensors, automated flight modes, and 4K 60 video round out the feature set. We especially like the APAS function, an autopilot that can navigate through complex spaces all by itself for low-to-the-ground use. The DJI Mavic Mini series has taken the drone world by storm thanks to being a member of the regulator-friendly sub 249 grams category. So not only are these drones incredibly small and lightweight, but they can also be flown in more places than larger drones. The DJI Mavic Mini 3 Pro is the latest incarnation of this popular series and addresses several shortcomings of previous models to make it the best DJI Mini to date. With the standard Mavic folding design, the Mini 3 Pro is a pleasure to carry around because it's so small and lightweight. But don't let that fool you into thinking that this palm-sized drone doesn't pack a visual punch. The new 1x1.3-inch 12.1 megapixel sensor, capable of shooting 48 megapixel RAW files in JPEGs, produces fantastic image quality with excellent high ISO noise handling thanks to dual native ISO capturing technology. Combine this with the 24mm equivalent lens and fast f/1.7 aperture, and this drone has some serious low-light credentials. This model is, as the name suggests, capable of satisfying the needs of professional and enthusiast drone pilots alike. Tri-directional obstacle sensing uses forward, backward, and downward sensors. This, alongside Advanced Pilot Assistance Systems 4.0, provides obstacle avoidance and automated flight patterns for capturing professional-looking video with ease. Plus, video can be captured in 4K up to 60 FPS, 2.7K up to 60 FPS, and FHD up to 120 FPS with normal and D-Cine-like color profiles available. There's also a digital zoom, providing 2x at 4K, 3x at 2.7K, and 4x at FHD. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3. If you're a professional photographer or videographer looking for the highest possible image quality in a portable and lightweight drone, then look no further than the DJI Mavic 3. This drone features a dual camera with a large 4/3 20 megapixel sensor and adjustable aperture in the main camera, offering excellent image quality for stills and video. With video possible at up to 5.1K in standard and RAW formats, stills in RAW and JPEG format, and other advanced features, it's a drone that's aimed at professionals. The Mavic 3's second camera is much more limited, however, and can only shoot images in JPEG and standard video at 4K 30 FPS in auto mode, but it does offer a hybrid zoom of up to 24x. The Mavic 3 features a folding design for easy transportation, and two models available weigh 895 grams and 899 grams. The standard model provides 8GB of internal storage, while the more expensive and slightly heavier Cyan model includes an internal 1TB SSD with support for Apple ProRes 422 HG video recording. Both models also feature a microSD card slot to expand onboard storage. This drone is DJI's flagship consumer model and provides up to 46 minutes of flight time with several incredibly useful safety features on offer. The Mavic 3 uses multi-vision sensors to sense obstacles, as well as the Advanced Pilot Assistance System 5.0, which uses 6 fisheye sensors and 2 wide-angle sensors to sense obstacles in all directions. When enabled, the drone can be set to fly autonomously around obstacles when detected or to brake. If you're a photographer, videographer, or content creator, you are likely quite familiar with drones. These small aircraft allow photo and video buffs to shoot and capture large amounts of high-quality image material or data from a bird's-eye view or other creative perspectives. Drones are excellent at capturing footage that can make any video feel even more cinematic. Drones offer a way to take pictures and record video in the air that you simply can't get any other way. The latest drones are easy to fly and are comparable in quality to your phone camera. Drones aren't just flying cameras though, they're also the modern version of remote-controlled vehicles. Again, they've made flying easier and more accessible thanks to intelligent collision sensors that protect your investment from mishaps. There are a dizzying array of drones available, but there is a basic division to be aware of. Cheaper drones, while fun, will never fly as well or deliver the kind of video and photo results possible with more expensive models. You get what you pay for. However, getting the best drone is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.